Hi everyone, my name is Queen Arish Mosqueda. The restaurant or the fast food that I chose is KFC Santa Lucia Mall. As I enter the area, it is so clean and cozy. There are a few customers ordering at the counter area. In the dining area, there are also a few customers eating, and mostly they are couple. Lastly, for the KFC cutleries area, it is so clean and organized. The good thing about that, there are reminders that are needed to be followed so that customers are aware of what they are seeing.
Good evening everyone, my name is Christine Datu and now let's talk about my experience on a fast food restaurant which is Bonchon located in Santa Lucia East Mall. In a counter area, this is where the customer must order and pay for their meal before receiving it. Based on my experience, bibigay mo na nila yung drinks mo, then after that, you can sit on your table na. Tapos yung crew will follow up your order, tas hatid na lang nila sa table mo. Tapos, yun. In terms of dining table, maraming provided na table and chairs doon kasi hindi naman masyadong maraming tao yung kumakain doon, kaya for sure anytime na pumunta ka doon, makakaupo ka kaagad. Tapos yung sa pagkain naman, sinerve naman nila ng mainit, tsaka yung lasa is masarap talaga siya. Tapos sa washroom area naman, meron silang provided na soaps and trash bin sa gilid, kaya makakapagkus ka ng kamay doon ng may sabon naman. Tapos malinis naman yung washroom area nila. That's all. Thank you.
My name is Luella C. Fernandez. The fast food restaurant I chose is Papay in Araneta, Cubao. During the time I visit, the surrounding or appearance of the branch is very accommodating even though the surrounding is full of customer. Yung serving time nila is umaabot ng 15 to 30 minutes per orders. Even though madaming tao, yung washroom nila is still clean. Kumpleto pa rin yung mga tissue, liquid soap, and malinis pa rin yung bowl na uupuan sa restroom. And yung sahig nila is not madulas unlike dun sa ibang fast food restaurant na napuntahan ko. Overall, maayos naman yung experience ko because ina-accommodate naman ng mga server lahat ng customer na nandun sa branch nila.
Hello everyone, my name is Mary De Luna. Ang aking pinuntahan is McDonald's sa Santa Lucia. Based my experience, pagpasok mo pa lang ng entrance, mapupungad na agad sa yung counter area nila kung saan tayo umorder ng mga meal nila. At yung pangalawa naman is dining area nila kung saan maliit man yung space nila, at least maraming kumakain sa kanila, like tayo mga estudyante na kumakain doon sa maliit na space nila. At yung pangatlo, yung sink nila, hindi ako okay doon kasi medyo naninilaw na kasi yung sink nila. Kailangan na lang nila na konting linis na lang para okay na. At yun lang naman yung based sa experience ko na nagda-dine in doon. Thank you.
My name is Zarina Pinera, Greenwich at Lucky Gold Plaza Life Homes. Yung sa counter po niya, makikita nyo is dalawang pila lang po yung pwede, and isa lang po yung ginagamit nila doon, and yung kabilang counter naman po is para lang sa mga food panda, ganun po. And yung mga upuan po niya is kakunti lang, hindi po siya sobrang maluwag. And yun sa sink naman niya po is mababa lang, pwede yung mga bata na abot po ng mga bata kapag maghuhugas sila. And yun sa CR naman po nila is maluwag and basa po yung sa loob niya, kakalinis lang po siguro nila, kaya maganda po yun, malinis po yun CR.
This is Maravelos Likwanan and this is my experience at Jollibee Tycoon Pearl at Barangay San Antonio, Pasig City. Once you enter their store, they very approachable. They greet you like Jolly afternoon, ma'am. Very good service siya. Malinis yung store, especially dining area at sa may CR, malinis siya. Hindi siya yung may amoy. Yung dining area nila, yung counter, maaliwala siya, hindi siya madilim like other store. When it comes to food naman, they give you the satisfaction you want. Yung mga crew is very standard sila. Hindi sila yung bastos, kausap, hindi sila yung nakasimangot kahit pagod na. Doon naman sa ibang crew is ina-approach talaga nila kung ano yung mga kailangan mo. Like, once na may hiningi ka, nabibigay agad sila. Hindi gaya ng ibang store na pag may hiningi ka is lalagpasan ka lang nila. Yun lang yung experience ko sa store na yun.
Hi, I'm Cedric Mosquera, and this is my documentation from Tokyo. And my first picture is from the counter area. Maayos naman sila, so nabibigay nila yung mga order ng mga customers. Nakukuha naman nila yung mga orders ng maayos. Tapos hindi siya crowded. And my second picture is from the dining area. Malinis din yung dining nila. Wala akong nakitang kalat. And mabilis silang napupull out yung mga pinagkainan ng customers. My third picture is from the sink area. Kompleto naman sila. Meron silang hand soap and hand dryer. And overall, my experience is okay naman. Malinis, maayos yung lugar. And that's all. Thank you.
And this is my presentation. Pizza Hut is a popular pizza chain known for its delicious pizza, pasta, wing, and more, and they offer online ordering delivery service. In my opinion about the Pizza Hut counter, can be a good option for enjoying your meal, and it's offer a casual dining experience where you can directly interact with the staff and see the process of making your pizza. And when you want to order this, in the counter have the menu. Sa dining table naman is they provide a comfortable and convenient space for for enjoying your meal. And also the table are typically spacious and well maintained, allowing you to dine with friends, family, or even by yourself. And ang mga upuan ay naka-arrange for different group size, whether you're dining as a couple or in a large group like family group. And the table naman is usually set with clean tablecloths and utensils. And also, always a cleaning. The restroom is cleanliness and hygiene of the restroom facility, including ensure that the restroom are regularly cleaned with the stock with necessary amenities such as toilet paper and soap and properly maintained.